For financial arithmetic, today we are looking at exercise 4D, compound interest. So again, this is review from year 10. You have covered all of this before, but as always, we will revise it before we jump back in with new content and applications for this. So where simple interest earned interest only on the principal amount that was either borrowed or invested, compound interest allows an investment to grow exponentially. So it can earn interest on top of interest on top of interest, as well as the principal. Okay. In the box on the screen, we've got a formula: A equals P bracket 100 plus R over 100 close brackets, all to the power of T, where R ignores the percent conversion. So here we're just going to use the number before the percentage because that dividing by 100 does the conversion for us. Of course, you can convert it first and ignore the divide by 100. You could input it as a percentage if you'd like, all sorts of things. So you can change this formula, this bit here, depending on how you like to use R. Of course, if you want to use a little percentage symbol like we have been, just don't include the divide by 100. Okay, so we're going to try it straight away with an example. What is the total amount to be paid on a car loan? So again, the car loan was, same example as previously, $18,000. That's how much was borrowed. Taken out over 4 years, that's my time, at an interest rate of 7.9% per annum. So these are exactly the same figures I gave you in the simple interest exercise 4B example, except this time the interest compounds annually instead of simply. Okay, so this word here, compounding, that's really important. That tells us which formula we need to use. Okay, so let's calculate it. We are looking for the total amount. I want to know what A is. A equals the principal, 18,000, multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate is 7.9 over 100. If I want to use the percentage key instead, I won't put the over 100. Close your brackets and then to the power of 4. When I put that into my calculator, and I'm literally going to do that now, so give me half a second, I get this answer here. 24,398 and 23 cents to 2 decimal places, which is a lot of money to be paying on a loan. Okay, it's nearly $1,500 more, I think, from memory, from our previous example where the same figures but we're at simple interest. Okay, and that's because you've earned interest on top of interest for 3 out of those 4 years. Okay, so it does add up. If you want to calculate only the interest amount, just as a quick side note, I equals the total amount minus P. Okay, so that's just rearranging the previous equations that I've given you, where this is what was given, A equals P plus I. So if I rearrange that, I can get I, and I can calculate just the interest earned. And of course, if you need to solve the principal, the interest rate all the time, use the solve function in your calculator. Do not try to do those by hand. Okay, you have to use the CAS in this subject, so use it to your advantage here. Using solve, put in all of the numbers, comma, whichever figure you're missing, and make sure that letter is listed in your original formula. Okay. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But otherwise, good luck with the work, guys, and I'll see you all very soon.